Hey guys, so I got an unboxing for you today. Our friends at Mytee sent us a couple of packages, so we're gonna see what those are. So hang around and I'll show you. All right, guys. So as most of you know, a few weeks ago we teamed up with Mytee to be an affiliate for their company, and so I come in from work today and had two big old packages. And so let's see what we got. I thought I would open them all with you guys and see what's in here. So, like Christmas, ain't it? This stuff is really taped. I don't know. I might have should have pre-cut it open. Oops. Looks like something falling out the bottom. Looks like it came open or something and they taped it. The sun's fixing to be shining right in my eye, so maybe the shadow won't be around long. Oh yeah. Let's see what this is. It's heavy. Oh, do you reckon they've been watching any of my videos? Y'all know what this is? So, y'all know how much I love my ratchet bar. But, check this out. There's no telling how many times, and I'm going to have to get in the light because the shade's killing me. But, there's no telling how many times I have had my regular bar and need this one, and I have walked back and forth to the toolbox. This is going to be handy. I mean, this is going to go in the truck today. This is a beast, and look at this curve too. So, and it's heavy. Man, this thing right here will do some serious ratcheting. That's pretty cool right there. That is pretty cool right there. Let's see what else is in here. There's some other stuff in here. Let's see here. A bag. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So guess what? Wait, let me save that. We have a, what is this? It's a bender bottle. It expands and stands. That's pretty cool. It's a, get over here and see if y'all guys can see it. It's a bender bottle. That's what it's called. Bender bottle. I guess you could, like if you know you're going out, you could fill it full of water. It says you can freeze it, and you have ice water during the day. Let's see what else is in it. Woohoo! Yeah, huh? Y'all reckon that'll make a few videos? Oh yeah. I can handle me a cap. Anybody that's got some cool caps they want to give away, I love wearing caps. Or I wear a cap every day. Let's see what else we got. Oh, okay. This is hand sanitizer, and woohoo! If I put them on, I can actually see. I just can't see to read. I nearly lost my glasses. Check that out. Hey, hey, hey. I'm gonna put my reading glasses on. Put these over here. Let's see what else is in here. Oh yeah, we got, let's see, what's this? So they're all hand sanitizers. That's what it is. Well, that's pretty cool, because go in a lot of these gas stations, and they're, well, you know, the door handle's been handled a few times. So that's pretty cool right there. Let's see. Oh, this is the lid for the other one. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool right there. So we got another box. Let's see what's in the other box. Let me lay all this over here out of the way. And I laid my knife down. Let's see what's in this other box. Let's see. It looks like it's 2 boxes. Unboxings are tough nowadays, because they I may have to cut around that. I hope I didn't stab anything. Let's see. So, oh, I know what this is. I know what this is. So, this right here, if you're short, if you're not short, this is number 1 right here. That may be something else to do with this, or another one of these. Let's see. So this, if you guys don't know, this is for putting your corner protectors on. They was telling me that this was a big hit at the truck show the other day. So what you do is you put your corner protector there, and if you're 5'2" like I am, you can reach up on the ground even and put your corner protectors in without having to crawl all over. So like when you throw your strap over, if you get it right, you don't have to get up there and untwist it. Throw all your straps over, take your corner protector. I'll do a video on how to use it. But that is awesome right there. So, like I said, they must watch my videos. See little short Geary and his ratchet bar problems and his height problem. Let's see what this other thing is. I sort of think it might just be padding, but I sort of think it might be something. Oh yeah. So, aha. So not only did they send me one, but they sent one for me to give away. Huh, they ain't gonna tell them what the shipping will be on that. Maybe it won't be too much, but we are going to give one of these away. if the shipping's too high, I might just have to order one and send it to you. But we're going to give this one away right here. So this is a corner protector extension, I think is what it's called. And I will, like I say, I will have a video of using this and that somewhere here in the near future. But we're going to give one of these away. And I don't know what this thing costs new right off the top of my head, but it'd be a pretty good little prize, especially if you haul a lot of tall stuff or old containers. Well, most of the containers, I guess, are chained, but if they're old rusty containers, you might want one of these to even move your chains around. You could use it for several different things, moving straps over, putting the corner protectors on. This right here is handy right here. I'll have to find a place to mount it on my trailer. But anyway, I got one, and one of you guys is going to get one. So that's pretty cool right there. I think that is my very first unboxing. Of course, Mytee, I keep saying Mytee, but Mytee is our very first sponsor. So sponsor affiliate. I don't know what exactly you'd call it, but anyway, we are tickled to death to be teamed up with them, because y'all know, if you've been with me since the beginning of the Hotshot videos, I have pushed and promoted Mytee products from the beginning, even before we was affiliated with them. So to be teamed up with them is awesome. I can't wait for our partnership to grow even more as the channel grows. And so also I got some other stuff that we're going to be maybe coming up in a few weeks with Mytee that we're going to hopefully be a part of. And once they release it or do it, I will let you guys know. Can't wait for that as well. So got a bunch of great folks over there. Stephanie is my direct contact, and Sunshine, what a name, right? So you couldn't hardly call Sunshine and be mad, right? So Sunshine, me and her was talking. I knew I was getting some stuff. I just didn't know when I was getting it. But anyway, and so pretty cool to talk to her, and can't wait to meet all of them somewhere down the chain. They invited me to come to the truck show, but it was a bad week for me to go. It wasn't far from here. It was up in Kentucky, and I hated I missed it. Hopefully, maybe I'll get to go next time. So, shout out to Mytee for the stuff, and for picking our little channel to be one of your team members and affiliates. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I can't wait to show you how to use all this stuff and show you all of it in action, and get used to seeing this, because there'll be a lot more of it. So, you guys, don't forget the links below. The Mytee links below got $10 off, $250, and the beefjerky.com link below, 10% off. And remember what I always say: if you want to have a safe trip, you got to start out doing a safe thing. Please like the videos, subscribe to the channel, share the videos, and click the bell outside the subscribe button. Love you guys.